Garrard County Schools, we're located in Lancaster, Kentucky, really small town. We've got about 4,500 people in town.
Everyone here knows everyone.
Garrard County is special in that small town atmosphere.
In 2020, we were able to find some bonding potential, and we started a project, and that's allowed us to build all of the new facilities that we have at the high school now. And Daktronics came in with the best bid. After we saw that, we felt like it was imperative that we stick with them from the standpoint of having the consistency, knowing how they worked, relationships that had already been developed, and the use of the relationship has been really important. When we reach out, we know who we're talking to, they know us, and that's been huge for us. Once we saw what the board did on our football and soccer complex, we were like, we got to keep going. And so we figured out ways to do this at baseball, at softball, and now at our gym, which still is at our middle school, but we have 4 Daktronics boards, and it's just been a lot of fun for us.
I think our Daktronics system and boards have a huge impact, not only athletically, but also for community members and non-student athletes.
We've already used the board with our graduation.
We have hosted our Special Olympics that we get to highlight students who aren't necessarily on an athletic team, but now their families are in our stadium and they're getting to see their student up on the video board, and it's a really special moment.
Football Friday night's a special thing in Golden Lion Country. We went from a football press box that had 3 people running the show to an absolute production on Friday night. It really has taken us in a situation where we're a much more professional unit now.
We do a lot of neat little things. Tonight we will actually have 3 helmets that are our helmets that will hide a football and move around like you've seen in some other things. When a touchdown is scored, an extra point, a kickoff, all of those different things that you would see at perhaps a college game or at a pro game.
Our students are really excited that there's a class now offered that focuses on what we're doing on the fields during game time. So they're excited to get to participate in making that content.
We learn how to control the video boards for the fields for, whatever sport that we need to, and we control the lights, sound.
I'm excited to be in this class and be able to go to college and pro games and see what they have there on their boards and apply it in this class.
The students have great ideas, and they are the ones that have the fresh ideas, and they know what's going on. They know what's been played online and at games across the state, and so getting ideas from them is what excites me, and then them getting to execute those ideas I know excites them.
We're excited just to be able to see everyone's faces light up whenever they see the big video board and all the cool pictures and videos we make. Because last year we didn't have all that, and now we have this really nice system with Daktronics, and we can just apply all those new nice pictures and videos to it.
We don't have any kid, even if they're not an athlete, who doesn't say, this makes me so proud. It's fun to be a part of an environment that highlights who our students are.
I want people to come to Garrard County, and I want them to say, wow, they've got it right. I want people to come here and think that our boards look great, and they want to be like us.